And I am Kanaya. This is my story. On Saturday, my class will hold a photo shoot for annual yearbook. The theme will be American School. My class will get the first session. The photo shoot will start at 7 o'clock and will finish at 10 o'clock. My group of photo shoot will be consist of 6 students. I will bring a camera and headphones. I will wear long sleeve shirt, vest, pashmina, long skirt, and sneakers. I will I will do photo shoot in the class. I will bring handphone for taking some photo with my friends. After that, I will take some photos with my classmates. I will be happy during photo shoot for annual yearbook. Thanks for listening.